So hey, what's up guys? Yeah, I know guys. Yeah, it's been more than 2 weeks and now I'm making a video. I'm very sorry guys, I was a little bit busy.
Acha.
So hope you understand. So well, today we're going to create this Beyblade. You know what it is guys, it's from Plastigen and it is actually Drigger Beyblade. So yeah, it's actually the Beyblade X version of Drigger. Well, I was not so interested to create this Beyblade, but then I thought I had already done creating bronze race, so I think I should also make this Beyblade. So let's start it. And that is why you should use a cutter that has a sharper blade like this one.
Okay.
Guys, I really want this Beyblade to look at least a little bit realistic like the real one. So yeah, I'm going to use another template. Don't ask me why I'm using another template. You will see that, just watch the full video. I'm just actually trying to make the metal basement of the Beyblade. You know, the metal part. And that is why you should use a cutter with a sharper blade to get a very smooth cut like this one on a cardboard.
Okay.
Guys, it's very important to take out the air and the water, because you know guys, it's an ice cream box and normally I use ice cream boxes to make cardboard Beyblades, and yeah, ice cream boxes are always kept in the fridge. So yeah, I really need to take out the water and also the air from the cardboard so that I will be able to cut the cardboard pieces properly using scissors.
Acha.
Do it! Add some Fevicol glue on the template and make it shinier. Don't use any other glue guys, make sure to use Fevicol glue, because this is the only glue that helps the template to make a little bit shinier. Sorry, I'm not able to speak properly today. Okay, let's just keep it to dry here using our hot iron. Yeah, it will help the template to dry up very quickly because of, you know, hot.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, now let's give a good look on our shiny Drigger, and here it is guys, look at that, fully shiny and beautiful colors. Okay, now let's just quickly make our Beyblade. And here's the last piece. And look at that, now the Beyblade template is looking much better. I mean the Beyblade part. All the cardboard pieces are almost lined up because I'm still not done yet guys. I have to do some more shaping. And here we go. Now it's looking much better and much more realistic like the real one, I guess so. Yeah, it's a cardboard Beyblade, but still from the side you can see the 3D look much better. But yeah, I think I just created this Beyblade too much thick. I definitely guys recommend you to use super glue around the Beyblade layer because it's a cardboard Beyblade guys. So yeah, I have to make the Beyblade stronger so that it will be durable. Okay, let's just keep it to dry. And yeah guys, our layer blade is done. Now let's just quickly make the rat check. Okay, now I have to hurry up guys because it's almost evening and I know the video quality is getting a little bit down. And to be honest, I really started the video very late today. Well, I think the ratchet is looking too much thin, but still it's okay because you can clearly see, guys, the layer is already too much thick. And too much thickness is not that much great for a Beyblade. It also really affects the performance of the Bey. Okay, now it's time to make the bait, but I'm not going to make it, guys. What? Because just look at that, guys. It's just a Beyblade X version of the actual plastic gen Drigger Beyblade, so nothing special. So I think wasting a marker pen to make a bait for this Beyblade, I think it's just a waste of time. I'm not going to make it, guys. So I'm going to use a bait, the bait of my Unicorn Sting. I really wanted to use the bait of Leon Claw, but that bait was not actually fitting properly with the Beyblade, so I'm going to use this. Hope you understand, guys. And still, guys, it's actually a balanced bait, and yeah, Drigger is a balanced type Bey, so yeah, it's okay. Let's just quickly assemble the Beyblade, guys. And here we go. Our Drigger Beyblade. Yeah, I know, still we are not done yet, guys. We have to do the coloring, so let's just quickly do that. And here we go, guys. Here we have our new Drigger Beyblade with the ratchet 4 and also the layer plate. Okay, everyone, here we have our Drigger Beyblade, and here's our Bronzer S, which I had created almost months ago. And if you give a good look, you can clearly see that Bronzer is looking a little bit bigger than Drigger, because, guys, in that time I had no idea about the size of the Beyblade X Beyblade. So yeah, I'm very sorry for that. You can clearly see this one is looking a little bit bigger and this one is smaller. Go, Bronzer! Oh, ring out finish! Bronzer! Last battle with Bronzer versus Drigger, and here we go, Xtreme dash from Bronzer. Also lost this one. Okay.
So just do it!